Hey YouTubers, tonight I'm making picadillo, which is a classic dish eaten in Cuba. It's also eaten in Puerto Rico and the Philippines. I'm using ground turkey tonight instead of ground beef, which is normally used. So I'm using 1 pound of ground turkey, 1 potato diced, a half of a red pepper, half of a green pepper, 1 onion diced, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 Aji Cachuchas, which is optional. You don't have to use it in this dish. I'm also using 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of Sazon, a half cup of white wine. You can use red wine if you prefer. I'm using 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. You can use tomato sauce, a half a can. I'm using also 1 bay leaf. I'm going to add the tomato paste. The bay leaf. Okay, so we're going to now add the dry seasoning. And we're going to add the meat now. Once it cooks down, I'm going to add the wine and the ice. And I'm going to let it cook down. I'm going to add the olives and I'm going to start frying up the potatoes. I'm going to cover it now. And the potatoes are frying up nicely. So everything is almost ready. Now my picadillo is ready. Look how delicious this is. I'm going to serve this over some white rice. Well guys, this is my finished picadillo. Normally I would eat black beans with this, but I have no black beans tonight, so I'm just having this with a side of sweet plantains. Well guys, thank you again for watching my channel. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Good night, God bless.